अभी मैं पढ़ाई करूं या तेरा काम देखूं यार? सुन, ये बॉडी के अंदर इतना सामान फिट किए लाए, याद भी नहीं रहता। तेरे को मालूम है 206 टाइप का सिर्फ हड्डी है। आइला तोड़ने के टाइम अपन लोग सोचते थे क्या?
कभी
बोल ना
नहीं
मेरे
कि हमारे पूरे बॉडी में टोटल 206 हड्डियाँ होती हैं इन एडल्ट्स, बट इन चाइल्डहुड स्टेज और न्यूबॉर्न पीरियड इट्स लाइक उनमें लगभग 300 हड्डियाँ होती हैं। अब चाइल्डहुड में 300 थी भाई, एडल्टहुड में फिर 206 कैसे हो गई? तो जब कभी भी ग्रोथ होता है, लेट्स से फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड टू एडल्टहुड, तब बोन के बीच में फ्यूजन्स होते हैं और दो कह लो या ग्रेटर देन वन कह लो यार, ग्रेटर देन वन बोन्स फ्यूज़ करके एक बोन बनाती है। तो दैट्स वाई नंबर रिड्यूसेस फ्रॉम 300 टू 206। ठीक है, मेनली दो सिस्टम होते हैं, एक एक्सियल पोर्शन जो कि हमारे बॉडी के मेन एक्सिस के अलॉन्ग होता है, और एक एपेंडिकुलर स्केलेटन जो कि अवे फ्रॉम एक्सिस। तो यदि हम पर्टिकुलर एक्सियल स्केलेटन की बात करें तो इनमें टोटल 80 बोन्स होते हैं और एपेंडिकुलर सिस्टम में 126 बोन्स। ठीक है, अब एक्सियल स्केलेटन में जैसे स्कल के बोन्स हैं तो ये टोटल 29 इन नंबर होते हैं, 29 ये हो गए। फिर रिब्स के बोन हो गए तो ये 24 है। एक हमारा स्टर्नम एंड देन वर्टेब्रल कॉलम के जो बोन्स हैं वो 26 इन नंबर है। ठीक है, अब स्कल जो कि टोटल 29 इन नंबर है, उसमें पर्टिकुलरली यदि हम बात करें तो क्रेनियम के टोटल 8 बोन्स, फेशियल रीजन के टोटल 14 बोन्स एंड एसोसिएटेड बोन्स लाइक which is some is present in our ear and one is hyoid bone. So these are associated bones which are total 7 in number. So अब क्रेनियम की बात करें तो कितने इंडिविजुअली? फ्रंटल, पेराइटल, टेम्पोरल, ऑसिपिटल, इथेमॉइड एंड स्फिनॉइड. These are two temporal bones and these are two parietal bones. And बाकी जितने भी हैं वो 1 in number. Frontal, parietal, temporal, occipital, ethmoid and sphenoid. These are skull bones. And if we talk about facial bones, mandible and vomer are single bones, except these all are 2 in number. Okay, so maxilla, palatine, zygomatic, nasal, lacrimal, inferior turbinal, mandible and vomer. So these constitute 14 in total. Now if we talk about mnemonic to remember these facial bones, so let's say this is mine, you can use your own. like फेशियल कराने गया मैक्स, पल भर में जिस नाक और आँख की वजह से इन्फीरियर महसूस कर रहा था वो गायब हो गया। फेशियल कराने गया मैक्स, पल भर में जिस नाक और आँख की वजह से वो इन्फीरियर महसूस कर रहा था वो गायब हो गया। तो फेशियल बोन्स, फेशियल, मैक्सिला, मैक्स, पल भर, पैलेटाइन, जिस, जाइगोमेटिक, नाक और आँख, नेजल एंड लैक्राइमल, inferior field, inferior turbinal, महसूस is for mandible and वो गायब हो गया, वो गायब हो गया, वो मर। So maxilla, palatine, zygomatic, nasal, lacrimal, inferior turbinal, mandible and vomer. So these are facial bones. And if we talk about associated bones which are 7 in number, then it's like 6 bones of our ear known as ear ossicles, malleus, incus and stapes. Each 3 is present in our right one and 3 is present in our left one. and the last associated bone is hyoid bone. And it's very important to know that this hyoid bone is not doesn't articulate with any other bone in our whole body, although it's associated with ligaments and muscles. Okay, then when we talk about vertebral column, then there is cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral and coccygeal bones. And the number being 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar and 1 sacrum and coccyx. They are like in newborns, they are 5 to 4 in number respectively, and in adults they fused to become a single bone. So 7, 12, 5, 7, 12, 19, 5, 24 and 1 sacrum and 1 coccyx, 26 in total. Okay, now sternum, also known as, like, it's present here, almost here, so it's 1 in number, also known as breastbone. And when we talk about ribs, then there are like true ribs and false ribs. True ribs are those which are attached to our sternum via costal cartilages. Okay, so they are 7 pair, like pair number 1 to pair number 7. Then false ribs. Why they are called false ribs? Because they doesn't articulate directly with our sternum. They articulate with our 7th rib with the help of costal or hyaline cartilages. Okay, so pair number 8, 9 and 10 are false ribs. And there are 2 other pairs, like pair number 11 and 12, which doesn't articulate in front, like they articulate in back with our vertebral column, but in front they doesn't articulate with either sternum or with any other ribs. So that's why they are known as floating ribs. So pair number 1 to 7 true ribs, 8, 9 and 10 being the false ribs, and pair number 11 and 12 they are floating ribs. So this is the axial skeleton. 29 in skull, cranium, 8 facial, 14 associated, 7 ribs, 24 in number, sternum or breastbone 1, and in vertebral column cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral and coccyx bone 7, 12, 5, 1 and 1 respectively. So this all constitute a total of 80 bones which is present in our axial skeleton along the axis. Okay, so now we talk about appendicular skeleton, which is away from our axis, like the bones of our forelimb, bones of our hind limb, and the girdles like pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. So these system total constitute of 126 bones, being in forelimb 60 and in hind limb 60, and both of our girdles constitute 2 bones respectively, like 4 in pectoral girdle and 2 bones in pelvic girdle. And now we particularly talk about the name of each of the individual bones जो कि present होते हैं forelimb में. Let's say, so first of all from our shoulder till our elbow, ये जो bone present होता है ये होता है humerus, which is 1 in number. Then in our forearm region, thumb side जो bone present है वो है रेडियस 1 in number, opposite medially ulna. Then we have carpal bones, also known as wrist bones. If we talk about the carpal bones, then from lateral to medial side, she looks too pretty, try to catch her. Okay, scaphoid, lunate, triquetral, pisiform, trapezium, trapezoid, capitate and hamate. Then we have 5 metacarpals and then 40 phalanges, being proximal phalanges, middle phalanges and the distal phalanges. Okay, one humerus, one radius, one 3, 8 wrist bones, 11, 5 metacarpals, 16 and 14 phalanges, 30. So 30 in right one, 30 in left one, total 60. These are the bones of upper limb. Now if we talk about lower limb, then the longest bone and the most strong bone in our whole body is the femur. Then we have one sesamoid bone, which is patella. Then we have tibia, fibula, tarsal bones, metatarsals, and at last phalanges. Okay, so femur 1, patella 2, tibia fibula 4, tarsal 7, 4 7 11, 5 metatarsal, 11 5 16 and 14 phalanges, total 30. So 30 in right one, 30 in left one, total 60. So 60 bones in upper limb, 60 bones in lower limb, total 120. Now when we talk about girdles, so in pectoral girdle we have scapula and clavicle, also known as beauty bone or collarbone. So 2 and 2, total 4. And in pelvic girdle we have 2 coxal bones, which again formed by the fusion of 3 bones, namely ischium, ilium and pubis. They fuse and make 1 coxal bone. So 2 coxal bone in our pelvic girdle or hips. So total bones in girdles 4 to 6. In our upper limb 60, lower limb 60. So 60 plus 60 plus 6, 126. Okay, so if you like my work, make sure to hit the like button, to subscribe to my channel, comment down below in the comment section and share it with your friends. Thank you.